Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So today we're going to learn how to ask for song recommendation in Instagram story. So first of all, let's open our Instagram ID. So this is my account. Click on your profile. Like if you're anywhere else, just click on your profile. Then click that plus symbol and click on the create button, and it will be here. And if you want to change the background color, in the left bottom side you will see the same color as the background. Just click it and you will find many different colors, and when you are satisfied with one color, scroll to the left side for many option and find that question related sticker. So here it is, ask me a question. So I will just write here any song recommendation, adjust it as a wish, and put it on a story. Voila, that's it. This is so simple. In just only 2 to 3 steps, you can ask for song recommendation in your Instagram story. That's it for today, folks. So if you like this video, leave like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.